Prepare to have your history books rewritten. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of historical myths and debunking some of the most widespread misconceptions. Buckle up, history buffs, because you're in for a wild ride. Myth number 1, Vikings wore horned helmets. This iconic image, popularized by Hollywood, is actually a complete invention. Historical evidence reveals that actual Viking helmets were hornless, made of metal or leather, and primarily served a protective function. Myth number 2, the Great Wall of China is the only man-made structure visible from space. While this once popular belief is fascinating, it's simply not true. Numerous other structures, such as the Great Wall of Gorgon and the Grand Canal, are also visible from space. Myth number 3, Julius Caesar was stabbed 23 times during his assassination. While Caesar's death was a dramatic event, the number of stab wounds is widely disputed. Historical accounts vary, with some suggesting he was stabbed only a few times, while others claim it was closer to 30. Myth number 4, science was dominated by men throughout history. This myth ignores the significant contributions of countless female scientists, mathematicians, and inventors throughout history. From Marie Curie to Ada Lovelace to Hypatia, women have played a crucial role in shaping our scientific understanding of the world. History is a fascinating field, filled with incredible stories and captivating discoveries. But it's also important to be critical of the information we consume and question the validity of popular myths. So, join us on this journey of historical exploration as we continue to unravel the truth and uncover the hidden stories of the past.